Yo my peoples, Chunkz here, and this 18th of May, as we reach the 29th anniversary of our independence,
we have so much to celebrate and commemorate.
Somaliland has been making great strides
toward peace, democracy and development over the last 3 decades.
We will have a chance to celebrate those great achievements next year as Somaliland turns 30.
But this year I'm staying at home and celebrating with my family.
But this year I will be celebrating at home.
But this year I am celebrating it with my family at home.
To protect our fellow Somalilanders.
And save lives and slow the spread of coronavirus.
You can do the same by staying at home and adhering to the guidelines.
Because staying at home will slow the spread of the virus that carries this terrible disease that has already claimed the lives of so many of our friends and acquaintances. Please do the same. Please stay at home.
Happy Independence Day.
A happy 18th of May.
A happy 18th May.
On behalf of myself and the whole BritishHouseHGA team, I wish you a happy 18th May.